And you know, I buy the National Enquirer all the time. And I love the crossword puzzles. And because they're pretty easy. And I'm not very good at them. So I can kind of finish them. I can actually get them. Still, words often stump me. And that has nothing to do at all with this next song I'm going to play for you. It's a song about, actually, I wrote it at MCC Studios when I was working on Sending Love. And I wanted a song that was just kind of a little bit sort of slinky. And I kind of wrote it and played it for Collie right there. And she just sort of nodded her head and said, yeah. So I knew it was going to work. So we went in and did it. And you know, the interesting thing with this record, I intended originally with this one, the Valentine record, Sending Love. I originally intended to not use any drums on it. And we ended up using some drums, but on a bunch of these songs, I didn't, and I was able to emulate that. So on this next song that I'm about to play for you now, it was finger snaps. So I went in and I overdubbed my own finger snaps a bunch of times. And that was really what it ended up being. So, and I won't be snapping tonight. Remember Ironside? Remember the TV show Ironside, and they went to the Beatnik Club? I'm not talking the new Ironside. I'm really dating myself, but I'm talking Raymondburg. You know, and they all snapped instead of clapping. I thought that was cool. Maybe maybe people do that now. I don't get out that often, so maybe that's a trend that people are doing. But anyway, all you got to do is make the sound of an egg frying on a sidewalk in July. Southern comfort from Tennessee. I kinda like the way you're looking at me. 98 degrees in the shade. I wanna drink you like lemonade. Oh yeah. 'Cause you're sizzling. So hot. Yeah, you're sizzling. Giving me everything you got. Yeah. This is raw. This is real. I kinda like the way this feels. So bad they gotta call in the cops. I hope it never stops. 'Cause you're sizzling. So hot. Yeah, you're sizzling. I'm giving you everything I got. Yummy, yummy, it tastes so fine. I wanna have it all the time. Spicy good when it hits my tongue. Oh, gotta give me some, yeah. 'Cause you're sizzling. So hot. Yeah, you're sizzling. Yeah, you're sizzling. So hot. Oh, yeah, you're sizzling. I'm giving you everything I got. Yeah, yeah, you're sizzling.